I rise to support the amendments by Honorable Oluoch on content creation exemption. And I want to say this as a member of the Committee for Communication, Innovation and Information. It is unfair to start imagining imposing tax on what we have not achieved as a country in digitalizing socio-economic empowerment for the youths, which is an opportunity for their job creation. Madam Speaker, I rise to support the amendments because in the first place, even the proposal in provision of the Ajira technology in the constituencies has not been measured to be effective. Madam Speaker, I rise to support that even the content creators are struggling and the small space that they've secured within the market. They are fighting to get that to sell the commodities or to ensure that other aspects are done. The same government has not laid out the framework to ascertain the level of achievement and success in digitalizing and providing for the Ajira. Some of them are struggling with bundles and internet. Madam Speaker, I support the content creators must not be subjected to this tax. At other amendment places, we must consider all the facts which are relevant. Let us stop pretending, let us not tax everything and go by the support, the proposal of Honorable Oluoch. I support.
I'll give a chance to the chairperson of ICT committee, Honorable KJ.
Madam Chair, these amendments